Find the degree of the polynomial from the given input and output values. All right, so when you're given a set or a table of points, the way you find if something's linear or quadratic is you look for the rate of change, or look for the rate of change of the rate of change, or keep going if you have to. All right, so the way you look for the rate of change is you first make sure that your input values are going up by the same number, and they are. That's called equal length input value intervals. You are making sure that these go up by the same number, they go up by one, we're in good shape. Now, to test to see if something is linear, you are seeing if this rate of change is the same number throughout. So you figure out what number you add or subtract to get from one number to the next. And if they're all the same, that means the average rate of change is the same and it's linear. You add 1, you add 3, you add 5, you add 7, you add 9, you add 11, you add 13. Is this guy linear? No. So the second time is to test if it's quadratic, and you do it again. You see what you add for every single one to figure out if the average rate of change of the rates of change are the same. And if that's the case, like it looks like it is, 1 to 3 is 2, and 3 to 5 is 2, and 5 to 7, and 7 to 9, and 9 to 11, never forget, and 11 to 13, they're all 2. So my guy, since the rate of change of the rate of change is the same, is quadratic. So find the degree of the polynomial. The degree is 2 because it's a quadratic, baby.